Wednesday, we hear from Meta Platforms, the company formerly known as Facebook. The stock seems very cheap on 2022 earnings.
This video is sponsored by the like button, by the comment section. So if you want to sponsor this video, remember to smash the like button and of course leave a comment below. What's going on, guys? Please follow me in welcoming Gary Shaw. He is now a governor of the channel. He became a member 2 days ago. It cost about $3.99 to become a governor, but of course normally it costs about 99 cents to become a member.
Wednesday, we hear from Meta Platforms, the company formerly known as Facebook. The stock seems very cheap on 2022 earnings. This is a company that's been consistent for quite a stretch. And for once, it doesn't seem to be attracting much criticism for its business practices. I think some of that is because it's helping small businesses a lot be able to develop their own businesses on Instagram. I think Facebook is worth owning, both for the digital advertising and for the metaverse.
All right, guys, so a few days ago, Jim Cramer advised everybody that was watching CNBC Mad Money to buy Facebook, the ticker FB. But yesterday, Facebook went down as low as minus 23%, dragging the Nasdaq 100 down, dragging the Russell 2000 down, dragging the Dow Jones down, S&P 500. Everything is down presently, guys. Now let's check out what is going on with the market, because in this video we have to talk about the price action of Bionano Genomics and what we should expect today. Okay, but before we continue, today is Thursday, and after the market closes, Amazon is going to be announcing their earnings report, guys. So hopefully Amazon is not going to destroy the market completely, because this market is already dead. If Amazon comes in after the market closes today and announce a negative earnings, I think it's going to be a horrible day, okay, for the stock market. And tomorrow, Friday, is going to be a deadly one. So let's just pray Amazon comes in and save the day, just like Apple came in last week and saved the day. Facebook has literally destroyed the market presently. So let's take a look at what we should be expecting today. What up, investors? It's your boy Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment, where I talk about Bionano Genomics on a daily basis. From Sunday to Sunday, I try to post at least one video. If you would love to learn more about Bionano Genomics, this channel is for you, okay? Feel free to subscribe to this channel, join other members of Bionano Genomics, those that are also invested in this company, and come here on a daily basis to learn more about their investment in this company. Whatever I show you in this video is just for educational purpose only. The financial market is a very dangerous place and you can lose a lot of money. Always do your own due diligence. Don't sue me, bro. Let's get to it. So this right here is the one-day performance of the entire stock market, okay? As you guys can see right here, biotechnology, is more or less mixed. But if you go to diagnostics research, where Bionano Genomics belongs to, you can see that the likes of Thermo Fisher, they closed green yesterday, okay? But Bionano Genomics, somehow manages to close minus 4.7% yesterday. No reason why, even though yesterday we saw a breaking news from the company, a press release that 2 huge laboratories in the United Kingdom adopted the Sapphire device. Okay, these labs are attending to thousands, over 100,000 families. Now, why would that cause the stock price to go down? Nobody knows. I don't know. It seems as if anytime there is a good news, the stock market somehow always sell off. I mean, Bngo always go down whenever there's good news. Whenever there's bad news, the stock goes up. So now this right here is Facebook. As you guys can see, it is down minus 20%, guys. I cannot really remember the last time Facebook went down as high as minus 20%. If you go to 1 year, so you guys can see that. I mean, on the 24th of January, we went as low as 301 US dollars, even though the all-time high is around 373 US dollars. But right now the stock price is down pre-market minus 64 US dollars presently. At one point it was minus 22%. This is why the entire market is down, and Facebook has caused other stocks, okay? Spotify also announced their earnings yesterday, okay? And as you guys can see, they Spotify plugins after Q4 earnings on weak guidance amid Rogan outcry. So Spotify is also down minus 8%. And if you go to Snap is has not yet announced their earnings, but Facebook has brought all of them down entirely. Look at that. Snap and Pinterest stocks sink after Meta's big miss. They are reporting earnings on Thursday, so they will be reporting today. But Facebook has literally, brought everything down. Even Qcom that beat earning, I believe, is also down minus 3.7%. Now we have Amazon. Amazon is going to be reporting earnings today after the market closes, so you guys have to be watching out for that. Okay, if Amazon comes in strong, I believe Amazon is going to help the entire market. If you take a look at here, S&P 500 is down, Dow is down, Nasdaq is down, Russell 2000, which of course is where Bionano Genomics belongs to, small cap stocks, this is where they belong to, they are down heavily. Crude oil is literally down a little bit, and of course gold is also down. So I mean, it's very difficult to find anything green. Of course, VIX 100, on VIX, the volatility index is up 4.6%. The 10-year bond is more or less flat, and I think that is it. So silver is also down. So yeah, and of course US dollars is very strong right now, as you guys can see, on the currency pair. So let's check out Bngo, Bionano Genomics. Right now it is down, pre-market minus 1.79 percent. Yesterday I made a video to let you guys know that the bottom is in, and some of you guys are saying you don't think the bottom is in. I believe this right here, 1.8 US dollars, from 1.8 US dollars to 1.85 US dollars is the bottom. Okay, the short term bottom, mid term bottom. So if Amazon comes in today and they announce a positive earnings, you guys should expect this price to continue the upward trajectory. But if Amazon comes in and destroy everything, hopefully it's not going to affect Bionano Genomics, a lot, because I mean, we are in the diagnostics tool sector. Okay, we are in the biotechnology sector. We are not even in the tech sector. So I don't know why Facebook earnings would affect the likes of Bionano Genomics if everything for this company is going good. Okay, but of course, Bionano Genomics is not yet profitable. So any company that is not yet profitable is suffering triple times whatever is going on in the large cap sector. Now, this is the price action of Bngo. Yesterday we closed, red. And if you go to the 4 hours, let's see what is going on in the 4 hours. So this more or less what is going on. We can see there is a support somewhere around here, 2.12 US dollars. So if we go low today, I believe we should be able to bounce around this level, from 2.12 all the way to 2.16. Hopefully we are going to find a support around this level, okay, once the market opens. As you guys can see, the market is down pre-market. The stock price is down pre-market, about minus 1.79%. So if we go to the 1 hours, okay, now this is the 1 hour candlestick, there should be a support, like you guys can see right here, 2.15 US dollars. There is a support right there. Okay, 2.15 all the way to this area. I believe there should be a support. Let me move this line right here so that we can come back there, after the market closes or something like that. So hopefully we can find support around this area. And I mean, if we close around here and Amazon comes in and reports positive earnings, it's going to help the market sentiment. You guys have to understand that we are in the earnings seasons, okay, earnings season, and earnings always affect the market, no matter how. If everything goes fine, I expect the upward trend to continue before March 16. On the 16th of March, that's when the Feds are going to come together once again and decide what they are finally going to do with the interest rate. Okay, hopefully they are not going to sound hawkish. They are not going to go crazy and increase the interest rate and hike it about 0.5 base point. Hopefully they are going to maintain the 0.225 that we are presently. So I think that's all I want to share with you guys. Right now, this is still a double bottom pattern until this comes down, which I don't think is going to happen any moment from now. But this is the stock market we're talking about, and you guys know that the stock market is very irrational. I mean, nobody knows what is going to happen next. We as long-term investor, we just have to hope the short time is not getting out of hand, so that in the next 4 to 5 years we can finally follow this baby to the promised land and reap a good reward from our investment in this company. So Bionano Genomics, positively, everything is fine. They installed more Sapphire devices. I think in January they have installed over 6 Sapphire devices, okay, according to my calculation. So and I'm still waiting for them to come out and announce the earnings date so that we can at least know about 2021, and then we can hear from them the forward guidance. I mean, what they plan to do in 2022, how many devices they plan to install. Q4 in 2022, how many, you know, or what their plan is, the studies that is going on, and so on and so forth, and of course more information about the prototype of the next generation Sapphire device. So those are the things that we need to wait for. Hopefully they are going to announce the earnings date of the Q4 2021, so that we can find out more information about all these things. So I think that is all I want to share with you guys. If this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing. I come here on a daily basis to let you guys know what is going on in the stock market, and of course mostly about Bionano Genomics. Shout out to all of you guys that, you know, became a member of the channel. Have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla. Ciao ciao.